Chemical peels are pretty popular acne remedies. Toxic chemicals and acid solutions are applied to the skin in order to produce controlled tissue death. There are three categories of chemical peels: superficial, medium, or deep. Superficial peels treat only the epidermis, the upper layer of the skin. Medium peels reach the upper layer of the dermis, and deep peels reach the deeper layers of the dermis. Ideally, skin with improved texture will regenerate after the peel as new cells grow in from deeper layers of the epidermis. However, the acne removal effects tend to only last for a month or two, with the acne reappearing after that time. By no means is this an acne cure. Today, we're going to discuss the side effects of chemical peels and suggest an alternative approach: natural peels. The side effects. Depending on the strength and depth of the peel, the chemicals placed on the skin cause it to peel and sometimes blister and crust, as if after a severe sunburn. This lasts for a period of several days to several weeks. The most common side effects are dry skin, flakiness, redness, and burning sensations, with other possibilities, including scarring, infection, reactivation of herpes simplex infections, and significant change in coloration of the treated skin. After a deep acne scar peel, the face can become so swollen that even the eyes are temporarily swollen shut. That is why up to 2 weeks of at-home recovery is typically recommended after this harsh procedure. Another approach. There's another approach to acne removal, which is far less risky and unpleasant: natural acne treatment. The key is to adopt a positive lifestyle of effective, everyday, all-natural skincare to avoid resorting to drastic measures of acne treatment. Daily at-home application of the best acne products will put you on the road to clear skin without repeat visits to doctors and estheticians, and without weeks of unpleasant skin flaking and other disagreeable side effects. It's important to read labels and choose products that are gentle yet effective, ones that promote the ideal natural balance of healthy, clear, and robust skin. Always try to use natural or even all natural products to make sure your skin is not exposed to chemicals. Natural peeling. Although it's called peeling, this amazing product is completely free of chemicals and harsh additives. Created from 13 herbal ingredients, it'll enable you to gently peel away dead skin cells from your face and body the all-natural way. While very effective, it's so mild that you can use it daily, making it a part of your everyday healthy skin routine. Just massage it gently into your skin, rinse with water, and follow up with a natural face or body serum. So, are you ready to improve the look and feel of your skin the natural way? Then we invite you to visit www.healtop.com and look for peeling. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.